Presenting ASUS Vivobook 14 laptop. It is powered by 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor with 8GB DDR4 and 512GB for large storage capacity. It runs on Windows 11 Home software and integrated Intel Ultra HD graphics. Get up to 6 hours of battery life. The 14-inch Full HD display provides an immersive viewing experience for work and play. The IPS-level panel provides a wide view with 16:9 aspect ratio and 250 nits brightness. The anti-glare display comes with 82% screen-to-body ratio. With an overall weight of just 1.55 kilograms, the extremely portable ASUS Vivobook 14 is the lightweight laptop that keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle. It also features Wi-Fi 5 dual-band, VGA camera, Bluetooth 4.1, built-in speaker and array microphone. Stay connected with multiple ports, namely HDMI 1.4 port, 3.5mm combo audio jack, DC in port, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port and 2 USB 2.0 Type A ports. This laptop comes with adapter and user manuals.